Hey everybody, Mindy at Quilting Mayhem, and oh my gosh, I know, I haven't really done an unboxing in a while and I could not resist all this Ruby Star. So, it's all here, hang with me, it's super cute. We got strawberry, we got Glow Garden and Selvedge. It's amazing. So let's get to it. I don't even know where to start. Oh my gosh. I just saw that it got unboxed. Look at Selvedge. Look at this. You can do all kinds of fun things with these letters at QuiltCon. That's where I was. We were making lanyards with our names on them. I try to whip through this, but you know, it's hard. It's just me. All their fabric selvages. Is this not cool? I do love their selvages. They are, I know they're huge. I know you lose some fabric, but they're so cute. Look at this. So much awesomeness. And if you've been following them as long as I have, I mean, there's a lot. They are very prolific. All right, so Glow Garden. I don't have tags on them yet, so you know. And if you don't know about Glow Garden, what is amazing is it is black light reactive. So all these glowy pieces, look at these foxes. They'll glow in like a UV light. So Sarah Watts, you know, I would dare say she's my favorite. Look at these butterflies. There's so many pieces, foxes in other colors. Oh, I like this one because those fox, they really pop out. Let's see, more of that ginkgo. Oh, there is a panel. I'll have to post this. It'll be on the website. Don't worry. It's a really super cute panel. Maybe I'll open it at the end. More ginkgo. More of the Morning Glory. I believe that's Morning Glory. Look at some of this. Look at that hot pink. Just, oh, it pops. And then mushrooms. All of what I would call the psychedelic mushrooms. Try not to get that glare. We're upside down. All that good stuff. I'm making a mess. My poor receiving clerk's gonna get here tomorrow and wonder what the heck I did to her office. And then let's see, more butterflies. This is a fun, very subtle vine type of piece. And I think I missed those mushrooms. Look at that. So it's like a bright neon. If you're local, just come see it. You gotta touch it, you gotta play with it, because it's just too cool. And it's hard to tell, you know, even on a computer. It's probably harder to tell how cool it really is until you see it in person. So this is kind of cool. Makes me think 80s throwback, 90s throwback. I was showing my age. There's that interesting vine again. And these are little hot pink dots, and that's kind of a black and blue. And you have it in this gorgeous raspberry color. Oh, these are webs. Let's see if I can get that for you super close. Spider webs. So, and then different colors. All the funness. And then this is black in that kind of raspberry fuchsia. Super, super cool. And then strawberries. All the colors of strawberries. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is where the office is going to start turning into a mess. Look at all these. This is one of my favorite prints. I know it's not new. I know she's done the strawberries. I trust me. Trust me, I know. I was going through my stash. I'm taking some to the Sisters Outdoor Quilt Show with me to use in Sarah Filkey's class. I'm excited for that. And so I was kind of going back through my older Ruby Star when they were cotton and steel. Dare we say that name? Yeah, just, you know, kind of that throwback of some of that stuff. But, you know, they have been around quite a while. Look at all these colors. It's going to start taking out my camera soon. I'm going to start tripping over it. Ugh. Look at how many colorways she did. This is crazy. And then she did them tiny. Look how tiny those are. Oh my gosh. So, little babies. This is like a navy and red. Oh, yep, fabric's attacking me. There's pink, and that's kind of a lavender and red. Whoop. Okay, larger scale snuck in here somehow. My favorite, you have that chartreuse with the light pink and kind of medium pink. All the pink. Pink on pink on pink. Oh, a few more tiny scale. There's that purple again. Navy with red, and then it's white. And canvas. Yes. Make bags. All the cool bags. Bags, backpacks, jackets. So we got it in two colorways. So we got the navy background and then the cream background. And then, of course, I got it in 108. Ah, look how cool. So, what do we got? Blues, pinks, reds, citra, all of them. All the colors she's using. And then this is just pink, a light pink with the other pinks and red. And then navy blue with the red and then the white. And then the panel. Let's open the panel, right? See if I can not ruin my nails with this. I love this. Okay. Let's make sure it's right side up. Nope, upside down. Okay, guys. Here we go. So I like we have multiple scales. So we have a house. And then we have all these cute little blocks. So dragonflies and kind of like cheater quilt blocks, the strawberry with the face, all the things, dragonfly blocks. And then on the back side is, what do we got? Butterfly, and then the mushrooms, more of those smaller. So I like that she did multiple scales. That is kind of cool. So we have small, medium, and large scale blocks all in these panels. And I'm sure if you go to their website, just go to Ruby Star, I'm sure they have pattern suggestions, all kinds of stuff. But you could even insert this into a bag. You could stitch it onto the back of a jacket, a sweatshirt, any of them. You could have a lot of fun with these panels. So, super excited. It's here. We'll get it out. See you soon.